Hello everyone, welcome back to Oma Sport. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to make moi moi like a pro using the baking and cooking method. And also in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the secret to tasty, delicious moi moi. So please continue watching, okay? So for you to make moi moi, you need beans. And here we have our beans all washed. This is black eye beans. It is required that you take the back off, okay? And if you want to know how to go about it, go on and check out my previous video on how to make akara. There it is well explained. Alright guys, moving on to the next step. These ingredients are also required. We have our onions. You need to be generous with your onions, yes. Making moi moi requires enough onions. So in here also we'll have some ginger, garlic, long pointed peppers, and some scotch bonnets, yes. So you go ahead and wash them. Moving on to the next step. It is time to blend. Get your blender and transfer your well-washed beans into it. Because I'm using smaller blender like this part, we're going to run it multiple times, yes. I want a smooth moi moi, so this part blends better compared to other parts, okay? So bear with me. Once you've added your beans, go in with your peppers and the onions, the ginger, the garlic. Just blend everything, okay? Remember to add water to it. It shouldn't be much. After blending, it should be thick and not watery, all right? Just continue watching to see what the consistency should look like. And if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome to Moi Sport. Here we'll cook, we'll bake, we'll do everything edible. So please do well to be part of this amazing family. You can do that by subscribing. Please hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? Thank you so much. Alright, at this point, we're done blending. Pour everything in a bowl, your mixing bowl. Moving on to the next step. Get a clean pan. This is a game changer. The secret to delicious moi moi. Yes. So guys, in a clean pan, go in with your vegetable oil and go in with your diced onions. I told you guys, moi moi it needs enough onions, okay? So be generous with it. After frying for a minute, go in with your ground crayfish. Guys, do not sleep on this one. This is the secret to delicious moi moi. It will take your moi moi to the next level and also give it a unique flavor. Please do not skip this step, okay? Alright guys, once you've added your crayfish, allow it to fry for a minute or until flavorful. Once it is ready, you will know your whole kitchen will be filled with the aroma, okay? So this is after a minute, it is ready. Take it off the heat and allow it to cool down. Now, going back to our beans mixture, go ahead and whisk it, okay? Just like you're watching me do. You're going to continuously whisk until it looks differently from what it was or what it looks like before you started. I forgot to mention this when we're blending. If you want to enhance the color more, all you need to do is to increase the long pointed peppers, okay? At this point, go in with your seasoning, some salt. Now go in with your curry powder, a tablespoon of curry powder, teaspoon of nutmeg, ground nutmeg. Once you've added all of that, go on and give it a good mix. Alright guys, it is time to introduce the secret of this recipe. Yes. Imagine what this caramelized onions and oil infused with crayfish and onion flavor can do to your moi moi. Guys, do not sleep on this one, I tell you, it's a game changer. So guys, once you've added it, go on and give it a good mix. Mix to well combine, okay? Before now, make sure that your boiled eggs are ready. We are going to use the eggs as toppings. You can use varieties of toppings like fish, bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, just, any vegetable or protein is fine. All right, guys, we're done mixing. Moving on to the next step. It is time to scoop our beans mixture into our moi moi bag. I would have loved to use moi moi leaves, but guys, I couldn't access it. So let's make do of this one. And this one is super good. Convenient. You can reuse it if you want. Yes, it is reusable. So guys, go on and scoop your batter. Please feel free to adjust your seasoning, your salt. Yes, you can do that by testing it. I didn't say you should swallow it. Just test it within your tongue and you can feel it if it is tasty or not. Especially for those who struggle a lot to get or cook tasty, delicious moi moi, or you're trying it for the first time. Shout out to my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. I am super excited to have you guys here. And to my returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing family, you all are welcome back again to our channel. I sincerely want to appreciate each and every one of you for your massive love and your support. Please, let's keep it coming. Keep up the good work. And God bless you all. Thank you. All right, guys, this is how you continue until you are done with it. Now, let's transfer them into the pot. Make sure you bring your water to a boiling state, okay, before you put them in. Now, let's cover it and allow it to cook. So, guys, these ones here will be going straight to the oven. We're going to bake them. That is to say, you can cook your moi moi or bake them, all right? Whichever one you prefer. Now, this is us checking back on our moi moi after 6 minutes. And guys, it is ready. Now, let's take it off the heat. Moving on to the next step. Here is our baked moi moi, guys. It is ready also. Look at how it's looking. Delicious. All right, guys, it is time to devour it. And we're going to be pairing it with some custard. Yes. What do you wish to enjoy yours with? Let me know in the comment section. And to you that have watched to this extent, have you liked this video? Please, dear, consider doing it, okay? Like and, of course, subscribe. Please support me, okay? Support your girl. All right, guys, if you notice, we've added some honey. Yeah, feel free to make use of sugar if you want. Now, go in with your liquid milk or your powdered milk, whichever one you want, yes, or prefer. All right, guys, our custard is ready and it is time to serve our moi moi. Guys, look at it. This is it. Please give this recipe a go. I assure you, you will love it, okay? Now, this is me dishing our moi moi out. Oh my. Tell me you are not salivating where you are right now. Guys, this is the baked one. So, make a choice. It is looking all good. Please help me share this video, like and subscribe, okay? Now it is testing time. Let's have a taste of it. Guys, it tastes so good. Both are very good. The baked, the cooked, tasty. Okay, guys, we'll come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please like, share for others to see it, and remember to leave me valuable feedback. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling. Bye.